the latest module from QBox, end-to-end testing, because no dialog flow should stay untested. As a conversational designer, you want your customers to have the best experience when interacting with your conversational AI. So you'll be aware of how important it is to validate user journeys. But it's hard to effectively test all your dialog flows before you go live, especially if done manually, and even harder to keep retesting them for regressions for every subsequent delivery. This makes it challenging to deliver a standard of excellence with a high level of confidence. QBox End-to-End enables you to quickly overcome these challenges by dramatically reducing the time, effort and cost of testing all the possible scenarios in a customer's engagement with your chatbot. It also gives you potential additional scenarios that you hadn't considered. It'll identify where your dialog flows perform well and where they fall short. It'll even show you any regressions that occur once you've made changes. QBox E2E is the go-to solution for conversational designers who want to make sure no dialog flow stays untested. Talk to us at hello@qbox.ai.